Trinities of nature. Trinity of particle physics. Quarks, leptons, and bosons. Quarks come in so named up and down varieties. 1 down and 2 up quarks form a proton. That is, a proton is formed from 3 quarks. 1 up and 2 down quarks form a neutron. A neutron is also formed from 3 quarks. To repeat, 3 elementary particles, 3 quarks, form 1 subatomic particle, either a proton or a neutron. Add another elementary particle, an electron, which is a lepton. These 3 types of particles, the proton, the neutron, and the electron, form the atom, in this case, hydrogen, of the deuterium form. Hydrogen is the first element in nature. All the elements of the periodic table are formed from these 3 particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Trinity of Light. Excited atoms emit energy in the form of photons of heat, microwaves, and light. Television uses light pixels of 3 primary colors: red, green, and blue. These 3 primary colors combine to form white light. And millions more color shades are formed by combining only the 3 primary colors of light. Trinity of Phases. Atoms of elements combine to form compounds. In this case, a molecule of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen atoms form H2O, water. All matter has 3 possible transferable phases: gas, a liquid, or solid. For example, water vapor is of the first phase of matter. As the temperature drops, molecules align to form a liquid. In this case, liquid water is formed, a second phase of matter. As the temperature drops further, molecules align to form crystals. In this case, frozen water or ice is formed, a third phase of matter. These 3 phases of all matter are transferable between solid, a liquid, or gas depending on the temperature. Trinities of the Earth. The Earth is comprised of 3 components: solid ground, liquid seas, and gaseous sky or atmosphere. The Earth is a haven for a balanced ecology consisting of 3 necessary entities: minerals, plants, and animals. Trinity of living things. In the human body, there are many trillions of living cells. Each cell nucleus holds DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, a twisted helix with 3 billion pairs of nucleotides. Each set of 3 nucleotides codes specific amino acids. That is, only about 20 certain aminos out of possible millions. The trinary DNA code, that is, 3 nucleotides form the alphabet of life, which specify a sequence of amino acids to form proteins, the building blocks of life. Trinities of Humanity. There are 3 subgroupings of humans: Negroid, Mongoloid, and Caucasian. The human family forms a triad of father, mother, and child. One person can have 3 roles in life: a parent, a child, and a spouse. The nature of a person can be described as body, thought, and emotion, or flesh, soul, and spirit. Trinities of the universe. The Trinity of the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun work together in a necessary unity. Considered a solar eclipse, can it be just a coincidence? The Sun is 400 times the Moon's size, but the Sun just happens to be 400 times the Moon's distance from the Earth. Thus, they have the same apparent size in the sky, though vastly different. The universe itself is actually a trinity of space, matter, and time, with each aspect being a trinity. The trinity of space are length, height, and depth. the trinity of matter or laws, which define its structure and action, the substance, which is its actual form, and motion, which allows interaction, and the trinity of time, which is the future becoming the present, and proceeding into the past. In summary, there are trinities everywhere in nature. It has been said, if you want to know what someone is really like, then look for his fingerprints, and examine his works. Since the creation of the world, the triune God's invisible qualities, his eternal power and divine nature, have been clearly seen, being understood from what he has crafted.